What's up, crypto and spiritual family? This is Ocean Starship with another video. Hope you're having a blessed day. First, I want to say nothing in this video is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But I came across an article the other day, and it was talking about Solana, and it said, Chance quantum computing breaks Bitcoin by 2030. And for some reason, I felt like it was talking about proton. So I decided to decode that term. And not only did I find it was talking about proton, but it also gave me a price. So get ready, fam. Also, 2 o'clock today, p.m. Central Time, I'll be going live. But I decided to decode quantum computer breaks Bitcoin. And if you go to Gematria and you type in quantum computer, you will get all of the numbers referring to proton. But I'll let you see for yourself. Because the first thing I found was very true. The puzzle pieces. Division of resources, 470. 470 is protons. United Slave Debt Notes. Getting ready for the transition. And our flesh suit is our prison. Didn't I tell you when we fell into the physical, we fell into a prison state? Now the universe has confirmed what I've been telling you. We also see I can't stand seeing my people suffer. God's supernatural protection. He will rule them with a rod of iron, and iron is also metal. Gesara, God Economic Accredited Reform Act, and $33 trillion. Do you see it, family? I told you Gesara is coming, the revaluation of all the currencies. I told you it's coming, fam. Also, X is coming with the cloud computing. We see dollar bill, y'all. Purple bandana, catch me, I trust you, and out of the shadows into the light. We definitely know proton is in the shadows. But you see what it says. It's going to be out of the shadows and into the light. We also see flood, 40 days, 40 nights. And if you count 40 days from today, that puts us around November 10th. Also, we see super proton synchrotron. Super proton, family. Do you see it? Clear as day. Also, the moon and Jupiter will switch. So I knew to take a look at these terms. So moon, what did I find from moon? Because it said the moon and Jupiter will switch, right? Well, guess what moon turned out to be? Get ready. Because moon turned out to be planned. Channel. And we know L-core channel is 636. Right? Bless. Even Mariana. Shout out to Mariana. One of my supporters. I wanted you to see that your name came up. We also see Pineal and Abracadabra. Abracadabra, fam. We know what's coming. I also found Zcash, Sora, and XNS. All of these coins are major coins. And all of these coins are also on L-Core. I'm going to show you the significance of these coins being on L-Core. I'm going to show you something in this video. Then I decided to decode Jupiter. And when I saw the 594, I knew exactly what that meant. And you see 1054, which is 154. And 154 is also L-Core. And 594, I'm going to show you what that is. Because it's XPR coin. It's also Bearable Guy and Frink coin. Now do you see what that article was talking about? I told you there are breadcrumbs everywhere, fam. We just need to know where to look. We just know what to pay attention to. Because when it's talking about something breaking Bitcoin, I knew it was talking about proton. Now let's talk about the switch. Let's talk about the switch. Because it said Moon and Jupiter will switch, right? Well, notice the 492, which is also 294 L core. But it said the secret quanta key, rainbow, portal, the way, gateway, and lotto. And remember when I showed you the message I received on my Twitter from the angels that said 1111 is just your angels opening a portal for you to enter through? I'm going to show you the importance of 1111. That's why I decoded synchrotron, right? Synchrotron. I wanted to see what that term meant because it says super proton synchrotron, right? And that led me to supreme popular. So super proton supreme popular. Also P electrum electrum. P electrum electrum. So I know what the P probably means, proton. So what is electrum electrum? That was the next thing I decided to decode. And that's what I did. I wanted to see what electrum electrum would lead me to. We saw the P, and we know the P stands for proton, right? It stands for proton. Well, let me show you what I discovered. Because it's basically saying real love, successful career, congratulations, rainbow currency, Professor Frank, 111111. Didn't I just talk about 1111? Now do you see why? Also opportunity, I found the truth, and 55%. Now when I saw 55%, that just grabbed me. I knew 55% was saying something. So I decided to decode percent. And I got the 486, a number we see a lot. And we know 468 is on L core, right? On L core. But what is 55%? Get ready for this, fam. Because it said 55 C notes. What is a C note? That's a dollar. That's dollars. $55. And even more confirmation, it says 55 Sean Price. We see the word price. 55 price. 55 Sean Price. So you know what I did next, right, family? I had to go to find out what is Sean. Sean gave me 234. Now 234 is Iraqi dinar also. That is Iraqi dinar also. But I found something very, very telling. Because Sean Price basically says dot price. 154. That's L core. It says, yeah, price. 55, yeah, price. 55 for price. You get it? You get it, fam? And by the 234 coming up, fam, I'm telling you, I think it's talking about proton, but it did say PL. So it's either two things it could be talking about. Proton, $55, or proton loan or loan protocol, $55. But however it goes, some kind of way it's going to be linked to the Iraqi dinar 234. So we go talk about it, fam. Join the live stream today, 2 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Also, come over, join the Patreon. Have a blessed day, family. Starship out.